that I wasn't even close to. I'm gonna start looking up. Yo, it's just dumb.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to get...
Oh. Nice. I don't even know how that would be possible, but nice. Hey, you made it further than I did. Congrats.
I'm guessing that's just a series of multiple tap crouches.
No clue. I just tried it and it kind of screwed me over. So try not doing that next time. I'm just gonna run and hope for the best. That kind of just screwed me over. And yep. Cool. This game. Yeah, it was a fun. It was a pun because I've been holding the W of winning. Rian. With the program. Yeah. You know me in these streams, always winning. Boring sometimes. How good I am.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
I know. You gotta give me a chance one of these days.
You're right.
Oh, I thought I had it.
I want to get past this checkpoint. But I don't understand the ending.
It's hard enough getting to the ending of it.
Right. Speaking of things I suck at, Dream Swings Weekly is really hard.
Is it?
I don't know what it is about it, but it's very specifically like, I've gotten the opening down to like pretty good, but like, I don't know if it's just like the way they place them or like, I don't know what it is, but it's just very hard.
Oh, I almost had it.
Don't worry, I've done it like 40 times.
The urge to click crouch while I'm still on the platform. Dude, this is like us on that hot lava custom map. Just like trying to get anyone past it.
Yeah. I will say, kind of my final impressions on this game. It's very cool. Don't really see myself coming back to it though, like I would. Hot Lava just feels a lot more like a video game than this does. This just feels very much like something that would make you just like, it's a raw challenge, but it's a very niche way of doing it.
Yeah.
Because the controls just are very rudimentary. And like, I'm glad we raced it, and it definitely, by all means, it wasn't my favorite thing we've played ever. Like, it's far from that, but yeah, I don't see myself coming back to it. This is a cool map though. Like map design wise, this is like easily cooler than any of the main ones. So,
Yeah, I really
props
like
to you
what
for
you've
that,
done with this.
Dr. Games. Yeah, like this is really cool. I know we haven't necessarily got the chance to finish it, but I just want to tell you that it's still very, very cool. Well, honestly, with custom maps, there is a lot of replay value for the game, if you want to call that replay value. So yeah, I mean, this.
Let's go!
Let's go. I just think that something like Hot Lava is kind of this, but better.
I think Hot Lava feels more responsive. Like, every bit of the movement in Hot Lava feels like it works how you'd want it to.
Right.
Where this, there's a couple things that it just doesn't, like, there's more to ask for with it.
I don't know, you don't really run it. Yeah, makes sense. Game is a solid. It's alright.
It was fun. I think it was a good race game.
It was a good race game. I did not expect this to take our entire stream. It did.
No, I also didn't. Dr. Gaines, I appreciate the follow.
Yeah, thank you for hanging out with us and not getting angry and being cool about it. Anyways, I don't know where you're supposed to go, so have fun with that.
I think I've got to do it.
Turn around.
Yeah, turn around to like get a bit higher. If I can get the right angles.
Yeah, we race things semi-frequently. We also do a lot of co-ops on platform. It's basically always platformers, though, unless we're playing Rocket League. That should have given you a run. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I got my speed killed.
Occasionally grabbing world records and...
Yeah, 4 more co-op 120-star world record holders of SM64.
Now the card for this is out. Woo! We're coming back, baby.
Yeah, I was done with Baronade that and we were cracking up.
Listen, if we could pause, I would go for it. But there's no way. I can't get those 2 wall jumps without pausing.
Another huge thing. Blizzard being world record holder, me being the runner-up. In one of the greatest 3D platforming games ever to exist, Unicorn.
My gosh,
Free to download, Dr. Gaines. Unicorn is such a great 3D platformer. And we have been trying so hard to get people to play.
We have a command for the YouTube playlist?
I don't. But I can get it because
I can drop
this.
Dude, this tutorial is 2 years old. That's crazy.
That is wild. Yeah, here we made a tutorial for the speedrun with like multiple different versions of the routes through the levels. It's a nice short game, and it's just really fun. Like, it's a really well made.
Even without speedrunning it, it's just a fun thing to play.
Short game. Like, it can be frustrating casually, but like,
I don't think it can be frustrating.
If you play,
I had no problem
with like Happy and Surflix running it. It's like I can see where the frustration came in, but they're not like, I don't know, like Dr. Gaines here is a 3D platformer. Like, he's a gamer.
Yeah, you can clearly tell that if you're making something like this and have an understanding of those kind of concepts, then of course you're going to be good at 3D platforming. It's not like the game. I don't think the game casually is hard at all. I think it's only like slightly frustrating when speedrunning it.
Yeah. Well, it's just like the idea of like you fall and like you have to restart the level. But like other than that, the controls are very responsive for being a throwaway. Like Unicorn is very much like a portfolio builder, right? Make it and then you don't touch it because you put it in your portfolio, you move on to the next project. But
Yeah, except I did that like 10 times, so I got a sub 6.
yeah, the speed run for it gets so tight, and the movement is so satisfying when you pull it off the right way. I swear we sing the praises of Unicorn as often as we can.
Yeah, I mean, it's true.
Gonna do my Dream Swing daily.
Okay, I was
Where is Dream Swing?
going to
What are you going to do?
I don't know. I guess I'll go for it. I'm only gonna do like one attempt. I wanna to bed, but 2.2 out yet. Weird. Really weird. It must be, must be falling behind.
Yeah, that it must be taking a bit. Woo! Hez with an 84 in the top 10.
Hez got the 84. He
Nice.
messaged me about that.
You got a 95. Wow, haven't even broken 100 on this one. Oh, this is a strange opener.
Yeah, I'm telling you. The crazy thing is, I've actually gotten the opener down pretty good. I just like genuinely, I don't.
Dude, I am not washing the plate today. Like my movements are still super jumpy.
Where do you play it? You are able to get it at the link. Okay, actually, wait.
Did we have a link for the game?
I think it's technically in the
YouTube description or something.
Yeah, I think it's in the description of YouTube.
Is Game Jolt the only place that it's uploaded?
Yes. Maybe. Yeah, okay. I have my screen share back up. I know you can't put it up right now, but just know it's up. Oh, whew, that was close. I almost just went into classic. We do not beat our old 87 score. Okay, here we go. Another dub for the portfolio. Can I say? Man, you've just been in keyboard and mouse all day. We've been playing this keyboard and mouse games. We need to get you another controller game. So I
know.
lose.
Give me the advantage.
See, the thing is, that's just even playing like field.
Now I feel like I
Well,
have
good.
the advantage at controller.
No, I mean like if something has the like the option for either,
Oh yeah.
and I feel like if it has the option for either, you win.
I feel like I was doing really well with Solaria.
I mean, I'm not saying you weren't.
No, I more just mean like I'm proud of my abilities on mouse and keyboard controlling games and how I've
I
progressed.
mean, I think Dream Swing has definitely, like, you're definitely getting better at watching the plate.
Yeah.
Like that, you're not like of the like.
Dude, there's some splotches. Like there's some dirt left on the plate, but like
I was about to say something crazy, but I'm like a higher rank plate washer than you, you know?
yeah.
Okay. I didn't want to stop my momentum there, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And then fat finger right click so you lose all your speed, do that too. Really good idea. Ever seen anything better? Ah, too hard.
$76, not horrible for me. Starting to get sleepy. I understand that, Dr. Games.
Yeah, no, I'm starting to get sleepy, and I wake up tomorrow. 2.2's out. Probably just gonna quit the game.
Don't you hate when you
Or
wash the plate but forget to rinse? Dude, so
Dude,
true.
honestly,
Preach it.
that's when you choke the end. Ain't no way it thinks somebody at 90 right now.
Yo, same. Never mind, I'm down to 81.
How short lived.
Wait, I'm back up to 90. Hold the phone.
Come on. I hate sucking. Kind of annoys me for some reason.
I wonder why.
It's like, I don't know if I'm like wash or if this is actually hard. Oh,
Oh, why did I do that?
The 96 for the people, +1 after like probably like my 5th attempt at this.
Nice.
Hitting 100 on this is so hard. Yeah, I can see like you're having bits and pieces of what I do, like the movements that I would make, where I see you like drifting down and then going for like a big swing, things like that.
Mm-hmm. I still just do so many slow movements, and like I know it's slow while I do it, but at that point it's like it's too late to do anything about it. Doing a lot of pulling. Is that a +1? Yeah.
You love to see the +1 gang.
You're not supposed to be washing the plates.
Yeah, but
All right. That was a fun night.
that was a fun night. It was a good race.
Oh, dude, I'm one stream away from beating Breath of the Wild.
You say
That's
that.
crazy. I for real this time, I need 12 more shrines, and then I can fight the final boss. I just want to get all shrines.
Huge. Very nice.
Depending on how tomorrow is, I may do an early stream, play that before Remnant 2, and then who knows? I sure don't. Who's live? Someone live? Who do we
Maybe.
have playing Osu?
No, yeah, Shigetora Cook Easy. I was gonna say, well, let me see if he's actually doing something, because a lot of the time he just has the stream on. Hano has holy crap, 223 of them. He is doing carpetless. I don't even know if I would call it practice anymore. I don't think he ever misses it.
Seriously?
Well, so currently he has a bunch of different setups listed and how many times he's gotten those setups.
Oh
You know
yeah.
how there's like a billion different like ways you can do it,
Mm-hmm.
like based on your like frame of wall kick and angle and all that. So he has 224 of one of them, and I'm pretty sure that's just this like section of the stream today. Apparently he's gotten 13 in a row, and he's currently on a 2 streak. So
Well, he's doing great right now. Dude, Stream Unlimited 7. He plays a lot of
He
this
did,
video game.
yeah, I mean, he just leaves it on all the time. Like, I don't think this stream has just been on for however long.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if the strat is still the same as last I
Yeah.
watched. Yeah.
You can do. I was gonna say you can do. He does a pause buffer for the right before the triple jump to get the up angle timing when you have to start holding up for Mario to move forwards.
Mm-hmm. This is one thing Kano's always been good at, is like grinding out specific things
Yeah,
and being really
Kano is
consistent.
probably the best person at the. Okay, it's not probably. Look at this. He's the best person at the strat right now, but he also is like 4 or 5 minutes behind 120 world record.
Yeah.
Not to say that that doesn't make this impressive, but it's just like in terms of people that are really good at it that are in the running, I still think Parsi is the number one because Parsi has like a world record contender time and also is fairly consistent at the trick.
Mm-hmm. Is
Out
Parsi
of
just
everybody I
doing
know.
runs at this point?
I think, but I haven't seen them stream in a day or two.
Oh, okay.
But they were. I didn't see if they got any runs far out though, because the only person that's really streaming at a time that I can watch during the week is Karin. And Karin has been doing runs, but I haven't seen what Karin's carpet list looks like.
Oh,
I saw them
okay.
practicing it for a little bit, but they didn't seem too great at it. And I don't know if that was just like they just had started to learn it or what, but yeah.
Neurosama is playing. Rian, do you have an Osu playing person on your follower list?
Neurosama is the AI VTuber.
Oh, okay.
Actually, before Neurosama became like literally one of the most popular streamers on the platform, it was just an AI Osu model, and then they added a VTuber to it to keep it interesting, and then that's when it became more than that. But originally, it was just an Osu bot to test AI Osu, and I think after like 3 or 4 hours of streaming, it got like better than the number one player, so pretty good.
Doesn't actually play, just cheats.
I was watching
I
Connor do
know,
like
I
4
know.
carpet listens in a row. I can watch this freaking all day.
It's so crazy how
It's so
like
stupid of a trick, but like I love it.
how long had Carpalus been known about before it had this consistent strat?
Yeah, I mean like already like something very similar to this was like um almost 2 years ago. And then there was actually a really similar thing where all you did was just triple jump out the window like very easily, and you just get like a single wall kick and you did it. But then it was determined that it was because somebody did it on an emulator and they have slightly different properties that it actually didn't work in real N64, so
Ooh.
it wasn't deemed usable. But yeah, that was like a. But yeah, it was just that there was never a consistent setup. This is one of those discoveries where it's just like it seems like it was in front of our faces the whole time,
Yeah.
but it didn't doesn't.
Just never, no one looked at the right place. It's kind of disappointing, Kano.
I was gonna say he's choking.
I like that his goal, gets more subs, and then he'll become the all category master.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so
That's the only person I can think of to go to.
I do know who I'm going to be rating. They're playing some Castlevania Rondo of Blood. I've still never played a Castlevania game, but they're fun. I've played Dead Cells. That's close enough, right?
Close enough.
Everyone, thank you for watching. I really do love doing these blind races. Some of the most fun things being able to test my skill against someone of equal skill.
Right, I agree.
It's very fun to have that competitively driven person to race against. So
Yeah. So we'll absolutely be back next week, probably.
Yep.
Not sure what we'll play.
maybe, possibly,
Maybe,
some a new game on Meta Channel, kind of.
Oh,
Yes,
dude, it's not gonna be
called-
out.
Dude, it's gonna be out, bro. What are you talking about?
It took me a bit. I was like, oh, that's what he's talking about.
October 22nd, low key, probably when it's gonna come out, but
Probably.
who knows? Because
or 12 to make 10 plus 12. Regardless, the
What?
raid's gonna be going through
All
soon. Tomorrow, Remnant. See ya.
All right, we have to hear. Oh, we got to get the Midge mallet.